how to add a channel trailer on YouTube by just only using your phone. So let's start. First, open your Wi-Fi or data for the internet connection. Then go to Google Chrome. Then tap the three-dot icon on the top right side corner. Scroll down. Then check the box on the desktop side by tapping it. On the search bar, type youtube.com, then search it. Then make sure that you signed in your account where you will be adding your channel trailer. Then tap the profile icon in the top right side corner. Then tap the Your Channel. Then tap the Customize Channel. In that case, you will be directed to YouTube Studio. Then here guys is the settings of the channel trailer. Then just tap it. Then tap the three-dot icon on its side. Then tap the change video. Then choose the video that you want to be your channel trailer by just tapping it. Then tap the publish button. And that's it guys, you have already a channel trailer. If you want to see it in your channel, just tap the circle icon on the bottom. After that, refresh the page. And that's it guys, you have already a channel trailer. Thank you for watching.